Hi, welcome to the NetBlazer 100 Gig Tech Corner. Today, we're going to take a look at the two newest additions to our NetBlazer family. First, we'll start with the FTB890, Exfo's smallest, portable 10 meg to 100 gig high-speed tester, perfect for field testing of multiple speeds and technologies in metro networks. So let's get to it. The first interface here is the SFP Plus slot. Here's the SFP. With this interface, we can test Ethernet traffic up to 10 gig, SONET SDH, CPRI, BBU, and RRH emulation from 1.2 to 9.8 gig, packet synchronization, and fiber channel all the way up to 16x. A real differentiator for our tester versus others on the market. Second, here's the CFP4 used for high rates, namely 100 gig. Next, we have the QSFP slot supporting both QSFP Plus for 40 gig links and QSFP28 pluggable transceivers used for 100 gig transmissions. The QSFP28 is very important because anybody testing 100 gig networks today knows that a huge number of QSFP28 interfaces are being deployed, and this trend won't stop, particularly in data centers. So both native CFP4 and QSFP28 slots on the same unit. Again, very important to have this capability when testing 100 gig networks in the metro. At the end, we have an SMA interface for reference out for 1 PPS testing and synchronization, and an interface for clock in used to get a clock signal from the same unit that you're testing. When executing a test, you'll notice right away that it's very simple for technicians to see exactly which interface is the active one. Right here, this blue light indicates that the QSFP interface is running a test. This is another great feature that Exfo has added, again, to make things more intuitive and simpler for the field technician. Now, we'll move to the FTB890NG, which has the same powerful capabilities as the FTB890, but we go one step further by adding complete legacy capabilities, dual port 10 gig, and testing of speeds from 64K all the way to 100 gig. It's great to have a high-speed tester, but there are legacy technologies out there that operators need to test for the foreseeable future. So this is a perfect module for that. Let's take a closer look at the interfaces. The RJ45 for 10 meg to 1 gig Ethernet testing, SFP and SFP Plus for multiple types of testing like 10 gig, SONET SDH, CPRI BBU and RH emulation from 1.2 to 9.8 gig, packet synchronization and fiber channel up to 10x. And the electrical interfaces, the RJ48, Bantam, and BNC connectors to perform several electrical tests on PDH, DSN, SONET SDH, and ISDN PRI. What's very interesting about this module is its ability to run dual-port testing specifically for EtherSAM or Y1564, RFC2544, track generation monitoring, EtherBERT, and CPRI as well. So, just to recap, the FTB890 provides 10 meg to 100 gig testing with CFP4 and QSFP Plus QSFP28 interfaces. And the FTB890NG adds legacy network testing over and above that, testing speeds from 64K all the way up to 100 gig. That brings us to the end of this tour of the NetBlazer FTB890 and FTB890NG. If you are interested to learn more, take a look at our other NetBlazer 100 gig Tech Corner capsules. If you have suggestions about future Tech Corner topics, send us an email at netblazer100g@exfo.com. Thank you.